Imagine a world where deadly drugs are sold as openly as groceries, where poison is packaged in plain sight and your next meal could be your last. This is not an episode from a dystopian series, it's happening right here, right now. In a recent investigation, the BBC uncovered a dangerous trend. Lethal drugs known as nitazines are being smuggled into the UK, hidden in everyday items like dog food and catering supplies. More potent than heroin, these drugs have been linked to nearly 3 deaths a week on British soil. Sold on social media platforms, these synthetic drugs are created in labs and often consumed unknowingly, masked by other illicit substances. Suppliers, many of them advertising openly on the internet, are sending these deadly compounds from China, where they are produced. With over a dozen different nitazines being peddled under various names, the stakes are high. The investigation uncovered thousands of social media posts promoting these drugs, with 35 suppliers willing to ship the drugs to the UK. These suppliers masquerade as legitimate companies, promising secure shipping and even providing visual evidence of their contraband. Over £4.2 million in Bitcoin has been transferred to 19 suppliers in the last 2 years. Undercover reporters were assured by suppliers that the drugs were safe, despite not being approved for medical use anywhere in the world. The chilling reality is that nitazines have been linked to at least 101 deaths in the UK between June 2023 and February 2024. Among the victims was Dylan Rocha, a young man whose life was cut short by these treacherous substances. Claire Rocha, Dylan's mother, expressed her disbelief at how these dangerous drugs were allowed to flourish on platforms like SoundCloud and X, and the devastating impact they've had on countless lives. This is not just a story. This is a wake-up call. Drug smuggling is a complex, multifaceted issue that impacts individuals, families, and communities. It's not just about law enforcement, it's about education, prevention, and vigilance. Stay informed, be vigilant. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it could save lives.